Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
So, Bharat,
Yes, sir.
I'm here. Okay. So, we have to start in the. Hi, Sandeep, you are back.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
We'll wait for some time. One student, Saurav, has joined.
Uh-huh. Let's other join also. So we'll see.
Saurav, you can unmute yourself and ask any doubts.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good
I'm
morning.
audible to you.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Sir, actually, this is just a normal question. I have two compounds in 1s spectra, so that is esters and methyl acetate. So the ppm which methyl acetate and esters are occurring at the same point, that is 3.6 ppm. So how we quantify? So I'm quantifying esters. So how we can quantify it by separating both of them?
Which ester is that?
Methyl ester, sir.
So and other one is
Methyl acetate.
methyl acetate. Okay. So is it exactly overlapping?
Yeah, sir. 3.6.
Both the peaks are overlapped.
Yeah, both the pigs.
At 3.6, which peak is coming? Is it CA3?
CS3, both CS3.
Yeah.
or CA3? So, what you can do is, you want to now resolve it, is it?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
want to quantify.
Quantify that. Best way to resolve is you have to do what is called dosy to separate out the mixture.
Doji. Okay.
Okay, one thing that we have not discussed that. Secondly,
Yeah.
you can do what is called a T1 experiment.
T1 experiment. Okay.
Okay, inversion recovery experiment, in which if the T1s are different, you can nullify one signal by exactly putting the delay, which can nullify one signal.
Okay.
You understood? You have to do two experiments in relaxed inversion recovery. Each time you adjust the delay such that one of the signal becomes zero.
Okay.
But then you will get only a one peak, but you will not be able to get both the peaks to measure the relative intensities. One alternative would be separate them out by molecular weight using dosy. Are you with me?
Yeah, sir. I got it.
Sandeep, you have any answer for that?
No. See, you must be having like one is having ester, right?
Yeah, sir.
So methyl ester and what is another group?
Methyl acetate. So both OCS3.
No. Methyl OCS3 is okay, but what is the other R?
That is oleic acid methyl ester. So there
So
is a
you
chain.
can choose those protons for your quantification.
Sir, actually, I'm quantifying ester. So the peak at 3.6 ppm.
No, that is okay. See, if
Yeah.
that is overlapping, then you will having another also. Suppose you have esters peak R group, that is oleic acid you are telling.
Right, sir.
So you can quantify that one, and accordingly you can minus at 3.6 ppm for 3 protons. Remaining will be for your acetate.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah, I got your point.
Yeah, so it is like that you can integrate that position 3.6 ppm. Then take the integration of 1 proton of your ester.
Right.
And then accordingly into that ratio you subtract the integration, and remaining will be for your acetate.
Yeah, okay.
Right?
All right.
So that will be more easy. See, sir, what techniques told that you can just qualitatively show that these are two are present. But for quantitative analysis means for your quantification, you need to have the integration. So either you can do one thing, you try different temperatures.
Sir, actually, what I did.
There also maybe they get separate those peaks.
Yeah.
Then you can integrate.
Right, sir.
Did you do temperature?
Yeah, so what I did, sir, initially, so the boiling point of methyl acetate is around 57. So I heat it up.
No, why heat it? You can go to low temperature. So due to the different type of interactions, hydrogen bonding and all, they will separate out to each other.
Okay.
Huh? Must. Otherwise, you can try that one. What I told you in the beginning.
Okay, sir. I'll try. Thank you, sir.
Clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
How about looking for the carbon 13? But that may be difficult.
No, 13C quantification is difficult, but
Yeah.
he can do. You do simple ZG experiment, ZGPG.
No decoupling.
ZG, not ZGPG, ZGIG experiment. Decoupling can be done, no NOE.
Inverse,
ZGIG, inverse gated decoupling.
inverse gated decoupling. Do you
Inverse
know
gated
about
decoupling.
decoupling?
So,
Sir,
you know the
actually,
decoupling techniques?
no, sir, I don't know.
Okay, then one experiment is ZGPG. There we are getting NO enhancement. That don't works for quantification, but you can do ZGIG. Inverse gated decoupling. There only decoupling is there for proton, but no enhancement of signals due to the protons dipole interactions. So there you can quantify carbon.
You can do that, but give a long relaxation delay.
Relaxation delay, you have to give some order of 10 seconds.
Yeah, even more sometimes.
Order of
Get the
10
car.
means multiple of 10s, like
Okay.
50 seconds or 100 seconds.
Then you
But
can
it will
measure
take hours actually. That is not convenient.
Fine.
It will take hours.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. We'll try this also. Thank you, sir. This is my only question, I think.
Neelam.
Another one is there, Pandemina someone.
Neelam and Pandimina. Neelam Rao, you have any questions?
No, sir. No, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning.
You don't have any clarifications? What about Pandimina? Hello, Pandimina. You have any doubts to be clarified?
No.
We are not hearing you. There is
Which network, I think?
some disturbance is there. Neelam Rao, you don't have any clarification. You don't doubts to clarify. Is it clear for all of you? Recording will get right.
This recording,
You will get right.
yeah, but you have to ask questions for giving some content. Otherwise, what you will do with the recording? If no discussion.
Pandimina, you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. You're all with physics background?
No, sir, chemistry.
Oh, chemistry. We are talking more about Fourier transformation and quantum mechanical calculations. Maybe it's a bit tough for you.
Yeah, a little bit, but going through it.
Okay. And we discuss more about Fourier transformation, etc.
Yeah.
You take out of that whatever is required or
Yeah.
that is useful for you.
Because in this course, we discuss a lot about more mathematics.
Mathematics.
Right, quantum. Yeah.
Quantum mechanics.
Yes.
So anyone else? Do you have questions? Any doubt? You can write. Suppose you don't ask, you have problem with the headphone or something, then you can write in the chat box. We can answer.
Did you people take the elementary beginning course? Where we discuss more concepts?
Yes, sir. I have taken one and 2D NMR basics.
Okay. So then this must be easy for you.
Yeah, little bit easy, but it's
Still
it is
difficult.
advanced right now.
Yeah, here more, I know.
Just doing assignment things only. So,
Yeah.
but still, I have to give exam, so I am preparing for that.
You are a student?
Yes, I'm research fellow.
Where?
IIT Bombay, sir.
Okay. So you have to give a exam now?
Uh, no, sir. I have done my coursework, so right now I'm in fourth year, so I will just exploring some NMR techniques. I do quantification of history. That's why I asked you a question,
Okay.
because I was dealing with that last 1 years. I do not get so I left that work, but still trying to explore that
You
work.
can send that spectra to us, then we will carefully look at it. Both proton and carbon that is spectra to our email, both to me and Sandeep. Whenever we have time, we will see whether we can think of some new experiment for you.
Saurabh, one more thing you can do there. You can do spiking with a known compound. Suppose you have methyl ester, add some known amount and then integrate, and this like you can abstract that and you can get the quantity of unknown compound.
Okay.
That is also one way. Okay.
But just like what is the correct way? Like you have the
They all are correct way only. It depends what is feasible for you.
Okay.
All are correct and acceptable. Wherever you send that and explain like that, everyone will accept.
Yeah, you
But
can deal with the dynamics possibly by changing the temperature. See whether the peaks. So they will differentially move. They will not move the same way.
they will not
extent.
move exactly, and they are having great possibility of interactions. So definitely they will separate
Get
out.
separated out. Yeah.
We'll try, sir. We'll try and.
Otherwise, you send that spectra by email to us.
Okay.
If
Yes.
you can.
I
If
will.
it is not confidential or something, we will try to see what is the real problem.
Okay. Okay. So one day I was trying to do that Koji part where 13C, 13C and 1H I was, but still not.
HSQC, that is not course, it
13C,
is
1H is
HSQC.
HSQC,
HSQC,
and
HSQC, where 13C and 1C was. So that time, so I did, but quantification was not done. That's why.
So HSQC
that
is
is
not
one way.
quantified actually.
Yes, and that's why just to separate it out, that methyl acetate.
Yeah,
and
you
methyl
can
ester.
just, so only 13C you can see the separated peak only. That also can be seen, right?
But in 13C, I want quantification. No, in 13C, I don't do that quantification in 13C. I do only 1H.
That requires lot of time investment. You have to give long delay, so it will take lot of time. So someone else joined, Dalip Sharma.
Dalip Sharma, any questions?
No, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So I
Okay, any
joined the course
doubts?
like 2 to 3 days back. So I need to cover first the assignment you have provided.
Oh, you started only 2-3 days back, but I think this
Yeah,
has been going
actually,
on for a month.
yeah, but actually I'm a farmer professional, so I'm not getting time. Actually,
Oh, that's a
Okay.
problem then.
I'm
And
currently
how do
I'm
you cope
working
it
at
up?
Cadillac.
Then how do you
Yes, sir.
cope it up?
I'll cover it up because I had experience on NMR because I did my master's from Naipur, Ahmedabad. So there I have done work on dendrimers. In that
Okay.
analysis, interpretation of NMR data is required. So it is not a issue, so I'll cover it up. No issue,
Oh,
sir.
fantastic. Very good. Very good. Because I think beginning 1 month means you have missed a lot of classes.
Yeah, sir. But I did the assignment. Like from week 2 onward, I'll complete my assignment. Only week 1 is pending.
Okay. I think that you may not be able to do it now. Last date is
Yes,
over.
last date is
They will not
done.
accept it, I think.
Yeah. Only 8 assignment will be there, na? So no need. in 12 week, 8 assignment is
No,
required.
12 assignments. Every
12
week,
assignment,
every
Well,
week
lessons.
one will be there.
Best 8.
best 8 will be considered for the exam.
Correct,
Na?
for consideration, correct. But assignment will be there for all 12 weeks.
Yeah, agreed. Sir.
So what are you doing in pharma industries? You are in Kedila?
Yeah, in Cadila Pharmaceutical as a group leader in analytical department. So main focus is on injectable dosage form.
Is
So
in Gujarat, Rajkot,
lyophilization. No, in Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad.
Yeah. So currently I am pursuing my PhD as well from LM Pharmacy College, GTU University, part
Oh,
time.
okay. Mhm.
One more person joined, Danish.
Danish.
Danish Prabhu.
Danish Prabhu.
Hello,
So
Danish.
Danish Prabhu, you have any doubts? Hello, Danish Prabhu, are you hearing us?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
So what will be the level of question in the main exam? So like it will cover from the entire session or maybe interpretation type of question will be there?
No, it is objective type of question. So that I think it basically covers whatever has been told to you. It is pretty simple.
Okay, because Koji or Noji interpretation will be very difficult for the beginner as well.
No, what we'll do is we'll give you a simple spectra and ask you to identify some peaks like that.
Okay.
It is
Got it.
simple. It won't be too complex for you.
Okay, got your point.
Most of it is a concept oriented and some of one or two problems where you have to solve it.
It will be
Okay.
mixed type questions. It's like
Correct.
it's not like one type. Anything, not concept, not only solving problems or numerical.
But I
Okay.
tell you, it is easy. You can do it.
It will be easy.
It is not
Okay,
difficult at all.
if we will cover whole the assignment as well as the
Yes,
lectures,
you
so
can
that
do
will be very
100%.
easy.
You
Yeah,
can do 100%
Okay.
if you cover all the assignments and classes.
all the remaining assignments you could do properly. You have no doubts in that.
In 3 assignment, I don't have any doubt, sir. Like week
Good,
2 to
good,
week 4,
Hmm.
good.
because those all question came from the slide which you have given.
Yeah, that is one of the requirement of NPTL. About 60% of the questions we have to give from the slides only. So one of the requirement.
So no need to refer any other book.
Of course, you have to refer because that is
For
additional.
more knowledge we can refer, but for
Yes.
exam purpose we
For
can
example,
go
this
for
will
the
do.
assignment.
This
Yeah.
will do. For more knowledge and to know, this will be a stepping stone to continue further, to add up your extra knowledge and to take a plunge into your research. Bit more additional work is required.
But I think, yes, sir, your lecture is enough to understand.
Okay.
No, after attending lectures, you can read book nicely.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you go directly to the book, that will be sometimes difficult actually to understand what author is writing into that.
Right.
Sometimes we need background knowledge to understand that
Yes,
book
yes, yes,
in
yes,
different
yes.
language. Yes.
Mhm.
You have any specific topic which you did not understand so that we can cover it later?
Definitely, we'll let you know, sir. After going through the assignment, we'll let you know in another session. So,
But did you take the concepts and the spectral interpretation course?
no, sir.
There is also parallelly going on. There we discuss more about spectral interpretation of various nuclei, 1D, 2D, etc. Spectral analysis and
So that
heteronuclear.
registration is ongoing.
I think it's over. You look for it. That is
Okay.
presently going on parallelly along with this course that is going on.
Okay, I'll check for it here.
I think registration should have been over on 14th or something. I'm not sure. You
I
find
think
out.
it is extended for 1 week, I think, sir.
Hmm?
I think it is extended for 1 week more. I think
Oh, 1
20
week more, is it?
Yeah, I think today is the last day, I think.
Or today is the last date. Who is asking? Dilip.
Yeah, sir.
You asked today is the last date if you want to register.
Okay. What is the name? Structure interpretation.
No,
Hmm.
I forgot. Wait a minute. It is 1 and 2 dimensional NMR spectroscopy, concepts and spectral interpretation.
Yeah, I have taken
Okay.
that course.
You have
I'm,
taken that. Who is speaking?
yeah, yeah, Shashi.
Saurabh.
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 You are now, it is going on. You are taking
Yeah,
this
yeah.
course right now.
Yeah.
Okay. So that course will help you to understand more in this course.
Okay. I'll register for that, sir. Yeah.
I think so. Today is the last date. That's what NPTEL office is telling me.
After this session, definitely I'll register. No issue.
But already you have missed lots of assignments there also.
No issue, sir. I'll cover it up. No issue in that.
All right. Any other doubts? Any other clarifications? You don't have to hesitate. You can ask questions now. Otherwise, you can also send an email to me or Sandeep at a later date. What is that specific difficulty you have in understanding in this course?
Sometime mathematical expression will be difficult to understand.
You are a physics background person or chemistry?
Chemistry.
That is the problem.
Physics people understand easily actually. So,
Right, sir. I'm also going for the quantum mechanics part mainly.
quantum dependent, time dependent perturbation. So that is actually sometimes difficult for chemists.
But that also I made it as simple as possible for you to follow.
Yeah, right, sir.
But what is for the student who are from pharmacy background? So like I am from pharmacy background, so we don't have physics.
That's why you have to take the other course. I told you,
Hmm.
that course is there. And also in August session, there is one more 1D and 2D NMR spectroscopy. That is also
Okay.
for beginners.
Okay.
That even pharmacy, biophysics, biology people who don't know NMR, who don't know mathematics can follow it easily.
Okay.
That will be in August session.
Okay.
You can try to register for that. Otherwise, in the parallel course which is going on, that you can try to register.
Sure.
I don't think anybody else is joining. The one problem is it is a working day.
I
People,
just came out from meeting to join that session because
yeah, I know it is a working day. But only thing is we have to do on at working hours only. This one. So it will be busy for students. Will be busy. Or those who are registering from the industry people, they'll have a work schedule. It will be difficult. So Bharat, what do we do?
We will wait for 5 more minutes, sir. If no new person joined, we can.
Okay, we can log off. Yeah.
Yes.
Looks like that NMR is a tough topic,
Yes, sir. It is tough actually. See, actually, every experiment having different theory.
Mm.
Every concept having different theory. Two theory goes parallelly. So this is making complicated.
Mm.
Uh, For
Unless you
NMR
get-
itself, two direct parallel top like quantum mechanics and also classical theory.
Hmm,
Then relaxation, if you go for understanding, means you should have a very deep knowledge of quantum mechanics.
correct.
So it is going tough.
I know.
Uh, for biology and chemistry, it is very difficult.
I know. See, they majorly, most of them are major users. They don't need to understand the concept.
They don't need these concepts, only they need to interpretation.
They need to know where the peak is coming and why it is coming. That's
How
all.
to interpret the
That's it.
spectra. That's required for chemist and
That
pharmacist.
job will be done for them.
Yes, sir.
Those who are doing research in NMR may have to understand all the concepts.
But if they are working on
Biomolecules,
biomolecules, then also not required.
they
That
are also
much.
not required. Yeah,
Biology people don't know NMR.
true.
They don't know anything even. They don't know how to set the experiment. As per my experience, since my PhD, I know that they only know copy the experiment and do run.
Yeah, that is the limitation for them. But what can you do? They are not
They
trained
have to spend lot of time for interpretation. So
because they are not trained as
they don't have time to
mathematician.
learn and try the pulse sequences,
Hardcore
how they
biology
work.
people. So finding it hard, I know.
But physics people don't know how to use. That is the problem.
No, they have to change their field. You see, I started as a physicist.
No, like your case is different. But
Then
mainly the physics
Mm.
people who works in NMR, they don't know what to do with NMR.
Correct.
And the chemist who know what to do with NMR, how it works, they don't know. Then how to do also they don't know.
True.
And biology people, they just do ZG and go and just see
That's
after
all.
that.
Anything beyond that is a tough job for
They just copy standard, don't set. Even you change one parameter, they are not able to run the experiments.
Correct.
Anyone, even I saw in Atreya lab and also wherever I saw these biology people, they just copy some standard which is set by the broker and go ZG.
Correct.
That's all. If you change one parameter, they can't get data.
They're out of the box.
And that is limitation. They never learn actually. That is the
I know. No,
they learn
don't require
interpretation. They can interpret proteins, but not NMR specs.
NMR concept.
Atreya lab, many were there. Like only that Abhinav was there one. He was understanding.
He was good.
But he was BTech from IIT. So
That's
that
why
was his strong points. That's why he could understand. Otherwise, other people like black box. They just go copy ZG and come back. But Abhinav was good.
Correct.
Other Somnath, Shivanand, those girls, nothing.
Yeah, their background is completely different.
Need make to learn, but they were not needed. So why to learn?
Correct. I don't think anybody else is joining. So
I
Bharat
think no one will join.
Yeah. Bharat, should we log off?
Yes, sir, you can.
Yeah, because I don't think anybody is joining except Saurav was there and Tanish was there. Nobody else is there. So
Okay.
we can log off?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Saurav and others.
Okay, thank
Sandeep.
you, sir.
Thank you. We'll see you
Thank you,
then
sir.
next
Thank
time.
you.
Bye then.